Welcome guys, my friends, back to the yard. I was looking at some YouTube videos and I came across a video where this thing will lock. Let me get it here. This thing will lock when you put it into gear. So, like if you do this, it's supposed to lock and unlock. So, I'm gonna have to test this out before I do anything. I was going to mess with this thing, but I don't want to mess it up. If it's not broken, then I don't want to touch it, you know. So I need to hook this up here, hook these back up, hook all the stuff back up, so we can test this thing and see if it's actually broken or I hooked something up wrong. Maybe, I don't know. But we gotta hook all this stuff back up to see. So I wasn't into hooking this up right now, but I say I gotta plug it in because we have to test this thing. Let's see. We have to test it. This camera acting crazy again. Acting crazy again. What are you doing? Okay. Oh. Now, so we gotta test this. So I'm gonna plug it back in. Hook everything. Lord. Oh, that hurts. Hook everything back in the way it's supposed to go. Right? Oh Lord. That's already snapped. Okay. That put me down like that. Lord, I'm sweating like a cook hog. Yeah. Okay. That's in there. Hopefully that controls everything. What did this go for? And that goes for like a USB or something. Where it plugs in to? What it plugs into? Right? I ain't got something unplugged in here. Nothing, right? Yeah, right there. Okay. Okay. There we go. So got those plugged in. This shouldn't matter at all, so I'm not gonna plug that up. Yeah, this shouldn't matter right here. So I'm not gonna worry about that. You see? Let's see if everything is good. And everything does look good. So let's put it back into place. Yeah. Alright. It's not 100% back into place, but not 100%, but it's back in there good enough. So, oh Lord, I forgot I gotta hook the batteries and stuff back up. Alright, guys. We have hooked the batteries up and look at this thing. See, it's not broken. When you turn it on, it opens up. It closes, opens. But I notice it don't move when I do this though. When I put it in gear, but thought if you put it in park, it also put it closes. So I don't know. I gotta hook this back up and see if it makes see if any difference going on. You see, I gotta see if any difference. What happened? Any different? Any changes happen, right? I gotta see that. You see? So I need to hook this back up. Got a screw in there. Yeah. Little screw. Now, let's see if I've just been screwing stuff up all along. Let's see. Wait a minute. I should tell me I didn't put all the stuff back in the goddamn stupid toolbox. Oh, okay. About to say. I was about to call myself a weirdo, man. Okay. Got it. I'll put this like this. Hopefully, I don't know if you guys can see. Probably you can see some of it. But not all of it, but you can see some of it. Okay. Okay. Now, let's put this part back up and in place. Put it in there like that. And wait a minute. What am I doing wrong? I need to put my glasses on. That's what I'm doing wrong. No. That's what I'm doing wrong. I can't see. I can't see. That's why. Oh no. Come on. Goes like that, correct. Sorry guys, I'm in the way. I don't think I am. Okay. Okay. Calm down. Okay. Put it on there like that. Okay. Now, see if we can screw it in place. Got it out of position. Right there. Okay, that feels right. Alright. That feels right. Okay. Now, let's hook it back up. Hope I can do it from this position. Can. Now, let's see if this thing works right now. Okay. Okay, let's turn the key and see what we get. Put the key in. Well, if it opens, right? Oh, guys. That's it. That's all it took, guys. That's all it took. So, the reason why the key was getting stuck in here, because I had already take this part out, this middle, the center console. I took the center console out, so that's why it wasn't working, guys. But now that I got the center console back in, it works great. Pulls out every time. That's great. Absolutely great. So now, guys, I think we can put this truck back. I think we can put everything back together now. I think I got everything under here tidy up and I'm ready to go. So yeah, I think that's a done deal. No, I do. I think that's a done deal. Look at that. Every time it pops open, pop, close, open, close, open, close, open. Can't take it out. Close, can't take it out. Yes. Now, we did it, guys. Pat yourself on the back. We have did it. So, got all the wires in the hills. Good. Good. But except one, this. I don't know where this goes. I guess that's some kind of ground or something. I'll figure that out later. But yeah, I think we're good. I think we are good. So, we're gonna tidy these up in the next video. Okay? We're gonna tidy those up in the next video with my soldering station right here. Yeah. Got hot air on here that comes out. I think this one right here has the hot air. Yeah, and we're gonna heat these down and get them to where they're looking a lot better, you see. But this right here is a good, that's good. Now I thought we had a problem. I really did. I thought we had a problem, guys. We don't. It was just that simple. I unhooked the center console, so it locked this up. It locked this, I guess, in the open position. Yeah? I guess if you unhook it, it locks in the open position. Let's see. Let's test that out. Let's test that out. Hold on, let's test that out, because when it's open, you can take it out, but when it's closed, you can't. Come on. Let's test that out real quick. I'm gonna unhook it. Okay. I just unhooked that. Wait, let's unhook the USB too. See what happens. See if any change happens with that once we unhook it. Okay, hold on. Okay, not so far. Nothing's happening, but let's see. Because with no power to it, see? Now you can't take it out, see? So yeah, so long as you got power going to this, long as you got power going to this, you're good. You're good. Yeah, you're good, you see? You're good. So now, I can really put this joker back together now. I think we got it. I think we knocked it in the head. With those wires under there, hood latch. Now that we know that this is the reason why it wasn't coming out, man, that's absolutely wonderful, guys. Absolutely wonderful. So guys, this was a short one. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And we're going to get this thing finished. Stick with me. We're going to get this thing finished, guys. You see? My thumbnail was terrible the last time. I know I don't want the same thumbnail over and over, but the last one was terrible. So this is the thumbnail, guys. So, let me pause it for a second. Right there. Like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. And we'll see you again. Yeah. We're back in the yard. We're gonna have to put a transmission in that thing, guys. So Stay tuned. I never put a transmission in before, but I'm going to do it with this one, okay? I'm going to put a transmission in this thing, guys, and we're going to do it together, me and you. Me and you. Okay? So like, comment, share, subscribe, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. We're back in the yard. The yard. Peace.